think I have to explain what's going on here. I'm gonna try to do a little fishing while it's snowing right now, see if I can catch a bass. I think maybe the bass might be biting still because it was pretty good yesterday. I'm hoping that the water didn't cool down enough yet. Trying a local golf course lake over here by me. A little bit of ice along the shoreline, but I think it'll be alright casting out there. No, never caught a bass while it was snowing. If I catch one today, that'll be a first for me. Alright, let's see if they're out here. See if we can catch one. Got one. Wall. Oh, actually caught a bass in the snow, a little guy. Yeah, he looks awesome though. Yeah, he's tiny. Look at the awesome colors on him though. Love the stripes down the side right there. Nice, healthy looking little guy. Sweet. Can't believe I actually caught a bass while it's snowing. Whoa. There we go. He hit hard. Wow, this is crazy. Catching bass in the snow. There's like a good couple inches down right now. Wow, he's nice one. Nice bass. He feels so warm. He must be tucked in the weeds there. Look at that, nice bass. Catching them in the snow. Awesome bass. Love that. They look so healthy here. He feels warm. He must be deep in there. Yep, there he goes. This is awesome though. Getting some strong wind, blizzard-like conditions it feels like. And I'm over here catching bass right now. Try to get that knot out. This is crazy. That's all I get today. I'm happy. Catching a bass while this snow is like this. Never done it before. Caught my bass. I'm happy. The first one, he was a little small, so kind of had to get another one after that. At this point now, this would just be more fun if I catch any more. little one. Nice little guy. Can't really lift him. I'll just shake him off. He's small. Here, see that? There he goes. I think I might try a few more. My hands are freezing, it's getting cold. But I'm going to keep trying a little bit more before I call it. Gotta get at least a bigger one. Really cold. I think I'm gonna call it. My hands are freezing. The wind is blowing real hard. Caught a couple bass, and that's what I wanted to do. Wanted to come out here in the snow, catch my first bass while it's snowing out. I got lucky, caught 3 of them. I mean, sure, 2 of them were small, but hey, it's awesome to be catching bass in the snow. And it's like 30 degrees out, maybe colder. Wind blowing, so I'll take it. That was awesome. It was a fun little outing. Definitely freezing though. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Fishing in the snow. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Got a bunch of videos up. If you like this, like the video. Something crazy I never done before, fishing in the snow. But yeah, stay tuned. I got more videos coming. And hope you like the video.